This is Auntie Nedu. She loves the interwebs, especially Pinterest. She's browsing, she sees inspiration, and then she clicks. Nice! She clicks again. She goes to Net-a-Porter. She loves the dress. She sees the price. She doesn't love the price. She goes to Google to check the exchange rate. And it's a wahoo, 645. She opens calculator. She sees the total. Wow! She sees her sewing machine. Oh my dear. She's dancing with the fabric now. She's cutting the fabric now. She's sewing the fabric now. And now she's putting some elastic tape in the fabric. She's gathering the fabric. And now she's slaying. Hi, my name is Nedu. I'm a DIY sewing enthusiast based in Lagos. And yes, you can actually sew a sweet dress out of just 4 rectangles. I'd love to show you how to. So I got 3 yards of raw silk from Tejo Show Market. It has a lovely drape and has a fabric yardage of 57 inches wide. Now I'm folding along the selvage. This will make it easier to cut with because frankly 3 yards is a lot of fabric to work it. I also folded again, so a double fold, and then I pin. I like to pin because it makes the fabric more stable while cutting. I'm going to section this fabric into 3, so I'm going to bring out my tape rule. So the first section will measure 32 inches long. The second and third sections will each measure 12.5 inches, and if you do the math, it will come to 57 inches in total. I'm now cutting carefully along the lines I marked. So at this point we have 3 sections. I know I said 4, just hold on. Okay, so now with the top section, open it up and then divide it into 2 equal halves. This will be the top portion of the dress. Okay, so now we have 4 rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So place 3 and 4 on top of each other and place 1 and 2 on top of each other. We'll be stitching them together with a 1/2 inch to 1 inch sewing allowance. To create the paperback design in the top portion, I folded the upper edge inwards by 3 inches and then I sewed a track 1.5 inches from the folded edge. I later sewed another track 0.75 inches to the left of the first track. As you can see, both tracks created a nice tunnel for the elastic tape. I used the 1/2 inch wide elastic tape, so that was enough space for it to move around properly. I left a 1 inch gap unstitched in the second track and I'm inserting the elastic tape. I first hooked up a safety pin to one end. It makes it easier to slide through, I promise you. So the elastic tape was 2 inches shorter than my upper bust measurement, which produced this lovely scrunched up paper bag effect. Now I'm creating gathers in the bottom section. I'm doing this with a hand needle, but it could also be done with a sewing machine using a cording foot or gathering foot. Now I'm arranging the gathers so that it's nicely and evenly distributed around the bottom section. We don't want gathers that are skinny on one side and chubby on the other side. After the 2 sections have been joined, it looks really nice already, like a lovely strapless dress. I think straps are optional for this dress. But me, I want a dress with straps. I think skinny straps look really elegant. And I'm done. This was a really fun project. It was so simple to do. And the best bit is that I'm slaying on a budget. I hope you try this out too. Happy sewing.